Hey Carly, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. So since our last appointment, there was a couple things that I forgot to ask you. I have them written down. Is it okay if I use my phone to take some notes?
Perfect, fire away.
Perfect. So one of the things that I wanted to talk to you about was school. So I've been accepted. I'm moving away from home within the next couple months, and this big transition, I'm really nervous about the transition to school and having a flare-up, not knowing what to do when I'm in a new city.
Everyone's going to be a bit nervous heading off to school for the first time. Most universities have really excellent student services. What I would do is make sure you form a connection there before you even go, so that they know some of the health challenges that you have, and I can write you a letter and they will look out for you there.
Okay, that's a great point. The other thing that I wanted to talk to you about is if I do have a flare-up or even maintenance, I'm worried that I won't be able to connect with the people that I need to, that I have established here.
First of all, don't forget you already have your existing toolbox. Remember what we've talked about, the 3 Ps of pain control. You have your pain medicines, your psychological or mind-body strategies, your breathing, your relaxation, and then of course there's the physical things. One of the things that's going to be important for you is to find a physiotherapist with whom you have a really good connection. So make sure you have a face-to-face meeting and that they have experience with chronic pain.
Okay, yeah, for sure. One of the things that I found really helpful was swimming. So in case I can't find a physiotherapy clinic close enough to me that has a pool, where should I go?
Yeah, so the university will probably have a pool, and then in most of the cities that have universities, there will be available pools for you to use. And I agree with you, I think swimming is an excellent option for you.
I guess just overall, I'm just really nervous about going to a new city and not knowing anyone.
You have tremendous supports here. They're not going away. You can connect with them through Skype, through FaceTime, whatever, and this social network that you develop there is going to be special for you, and it will happen quite quickly. Well, before we wrap up, is there anything else?
I did actually want to show you one thing. I've been tracking my pain using the I Can Cope app. So it shows kind of trends and that type of stuff. I've just been keeping track, so I wanted to show it to you, just so you could see.
Awesome,
yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah, you look like you've been doing really well, good function. Pain score's down and your interference is not too bad. Way to go.
Thank you.
Good luck with everything, Carly. You know how to contact us if you need to. Terrific, you're heading off to school. I think you're going to have a fantastic time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
So I actually thought the appointment with Carly went very well today. When she first transitioned to the adult setting from pediatrics, it was kind of hard. I had to drive the conversation. There's much less time. It's a fact of life in adult healthcare. And so she now comes well prepared with questions. She's really matured. She's well able to advocate for herself. I have absolutely no doubt that she is going to have a terrific time at school, positioning herself well for the future.
I think this appointment went really well. I didn't feel rushed or panicked, and I'm really glad I used my phone to be able to keep track of the things I wanted to ask Dr. Campbell and make note of the things that I needed to address in this appointment. Overall, I think it'll be an okay transition.